What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody out there is having a great day. Does anybody out there own a glass top oven stove and that you need to get your oven door off but don't know how to do it? Show you. Alright, so right here is my white glass top oven stove, okay? And this is a GE. Alright, I don't know what the model number is. I tried looking on the inside of the oven, on the back of it, and there's no model number, unfortunately, so I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so if anybody has one of these stoves and you need to take the oven door off, you know how? Watch. Okay, first thing that you need to do is, if you have any dish towels hanging here, just take them off. Okay, then you bring the oven door down till it stops. Okay, now right here is like a little locking mechanism. You bring the locking mechanism up, as you can see here. I'm wiggling it, okay, till it stops. Come over to this side, same thing. Take the locking mechanism, bring it up till it stops. Okay. Now what you do, you take your hands, put it on the glass. Take your hands, bring the oven door up. Okay. Now what you do, you take your hand here, lift, pull the oven door off. Okay. And there you go. Now if you need to move, the oven door is off, so it's easy to get through the door. Or if you do an extra cleaning or whatever job you need to do on it, that's how you take the oven door off. Now, to put the oven door back on, just repeat the same process. Okay? So there is a notch here. There is a notch here. Okay? There's a chrome. There's a silver tab here. Silver tab here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to line the silver tab with the notch, as you see there, as you see here. Okay, sometimes it can get a little tricky. Okay, so you bring it up. Okay, now you bring it down, all the way down till it stops. Now you take the locking mechanism, you bring it down. Okay, like that. Okay, here's a close-up picture of it, or close-up shot of it right here. Okay. Bring it until it locks in place like this. Now you take the oven door, bring the oven door back up, and there you go. All right, everybody. So I pretty much showed it how to take a oven door off and put it back on. Okay, it's actually not that hard to do. Like I mentioned, you can take it off. Like if you need to move the oven outside and you can't fit the door frame, take the oven door off. Okay, if you need to do extra cleaning or something like that, take the oven door off. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button. Also, if you have a comment below, please leave it below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any videos I post. See you in the next video. Peace.